There was a car show in Tavaares, and it's a local town here, and lo and behold, the Orange Blossom Cannonball Express was ready to take passengers on a trip around Central Florida, our neighborhoods, Eustis, Mount Dora, Tavaares, so on. As you see, it's a steam locomotive, 260 configuration, and it was made in the Baldwin Locomotive Works. Almost said automobile. This is far from an automobile. In 1907, it was known as a movie train because it showed up in several movies, including True Grit and Rosewood, so it has a history. Unfortunately, again, this was shot in 2014. Its last show was in 2016. And I think there are several reasons for it. One of them is, of course, the locomotive, being a steam locomotive, had to be looked after on a regular basis because it's a boiler, and you can't be too careful with steam boilers. This amazing looking train, and the cars are vintage cars, and they would take them for runs through the country, and there I think food was available, and they had special trips during Christmas time and so on. So it was an interesting experience. But when it went out of business in 2016, of course, people that were associated with it had no jobs at that point. Since that time, a diesel electric locomotive took over the run, but it's not operating now. And I don't know whether it's because of the health concerns at this point, or whether it's financial or what, but these spectacles take money, and you also have to be concerned with the track and its maintenance, and that's another factor. So it's hard to operate these things. The thing is, they built that beautiful terminal there, the train station. It was over $500,000. So now with the railroad in question, what's going to happen with the train depot there? That's one of the things when you get involved in making things special for your city, they can rise and fall depending on the economy and all kinds of factors.